Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to get ChatGPT API key. We're currently on platform openai.com. The link to this page will be in the description below. Once you get here, all you'll need to do is to click on Login, then log in using your email address or continue with Google. We will be continuing with Google, then we will be selecting an account which we'll be using for ChatGPT. And now once you're logged in, you'll need to go over to the top right area and click on Start Building. Then here it says, Welcome to OpenAI Platform. Create an organization to generate API keys and start building. So we'll need to create an organization name and what best describes you. This is the option where you get to choose if you're very technical, somewhat technical, or not technical. If you're a beginner, you might want to choose this if you want to. But this is pretty much up to you. Then go ahead and give your organization a name. So we have a random name, WebGator. But for you, you might want to use a good name that fits your organization. So go ahead and click on Create Organization. And then on this page, you get to invite your team. If you want to do that now, you can put the emails right here or decide to invite your team later. We will be choosing this option, Invite My Team Later. And then you're going to have to give your API key a name. For this tutorial, we'll be using my test key and the project name Default Project. This is fine. But of course, if you want to do this later, you can do this. But this is recommended to do this to keep things organized. Then click Generate API Key. Now do take note that this is your API key. As you can see, we've been able to generate and get an API key following these steps. Now it is important to note that you want to copy this API key and keep it really safe, because you might not be able to find this API key after this stage. This is for security purposes, and you want to ensure that you're keeping it safe. Of course, you could go out and try your new API key using the curl, Node, or Python. It says here, run this curl command in the terminal to generate haiku for free using the GPT-40 mini model. Now, of course, as you can see, you have your API key, and also you have the option to try it out. Don't just stop here. You might want to click and continue, and it's going to take you to this page as it says, add some API credit. Now, without these credits, you might be limited with what you can do with the API key you just generated. You could decide to go ahead and purchase credits. But of course, if you want to buy credits later, you can click on, I'll buy credits later. And that's how you get to generate your API key. If you found this video helpful, do show your support with a like.